Okay, let's review integration by parts by doing an example from the previous problem, the integral of t e to the 3t dt. So remember, the formula for integration by parts says the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v times du. So we have to choose a u and a dv from our integral. So dv, you tend to choose the thing that is more complicated, the more complicated factor, as long as you can still integrate it. So I would choose e to the 3t dt. E to the 3t is more complicated than t. An exponential is more complicated than a linear. But I can still integrate it relatively easily. So that's going to be my dv, which means that my u is just t. So now I have to calculate du, which is just dt, and I have to calculate v, which is the antiderivative of dv, so that would be e to the 3t over 3. And then I plug into my formula for integration by parts. So u times v, that would be 1/3 t e to the 3t minus the integral of v times du. So that would be 1/3 e to the 3t times du, which is just dt. So this is 1/3 t e to the 3t minus 1/3 times the antiderivative of 3t is 1/3 e to the 3t plus c, and then we just simplify. 1/3 t e to the 3t minus 1/9 e to the 3t plus c.